by and take a look at the 2017
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.